I'm here in Quezon City, and today we will explore Australia's largest and most recognized independent specialty coffee roaster since 2005, which has opened its doors here in the Philippines. Dito tayo sa St. Ali in Opus Mall, Bridgetown Destination Estate in Quezon City. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Tuki ka! Cheers! Ah! Salted caramel timtam. So mas maganda na gamitin ng straw. And then you have to taste it muna yung sa ilalim instead of mixing it. Hinigup ko siya from below, pataas. Mainit yung sa ilalim. Mainit yung sa ilalim eh. Tapos iba yung, meron siyang pait pa. Pait ng chocolate na masarap. Tapos i-mix na natin. Sarap. Shiitake. Sa lahat ng mga creamy mushroom, the best for me pa rin ng mushroom feet. Tinawag lang tong truffle fries kasi pinry siya with truffle oil. Tama, no? They just use truffle oil. And then, you have to dip it dito sa dip. I can taste the aroma of the truffle. Pero sarap nitong sauce, ha? Sarap ng sauce. And then, ito naman yung fries na hindi truffle. Lagi, sausaw natin sa... Sausaw ko sa ketchup. Wala siyang aroma ng truffle compared dito sa isa. Tapos subukan ko i-dip sa sauce nito. Next, itong croquettes. So this is the croquettes. Wow. Oh, it's so soft, huh? It's so soft. Wow. Wow. So this is like, anong tawag niya dito? Hindi ko na ano alala.
So butter.
No. The miso butter is the one on top. Pero this parang pancake,
Crumpet.
crumpet.
Yeah.
Ang sarap, ang sarap. So yung combination ng avocado, then the eggs, I think it's an egg salad. Together with the crumpet. I like it too. Subukan mo i-dip tong truffle fries dito sa mushroom soup. Parang walang kwenta. Yeah. Mas masarap pa rin siya with the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce adds deliciousness dito sa truffle fries. So, how can you describe the taste of the crumpet? May lasa siya eh, hindi naman wala eh.
Salty na.
Saltiness, di ba?
Yan na parang it's plain, pero masarap po siya.
Oo. And the taste of butter, yung parang,
Yung miso butter ito,
yeah, it adds flavor sa crumpet. Try ko na itong Mexican cousin. Ooh! Wow! Soft-boiled talaga. Rap, you want the poached egg?
just get the whole. I'll get the half.
No, get the whole. Sa kanya itong kalahati.
Come on. Nalambot ito sa
And then, ito na yung my Mexican cousin. Kung titignan mo sa loob, meron siyang corn. You can see the corn inside. And then the poached egg. So, let's try it. Yung breading niya, ang daming mix of herbs and spices. Ang sarap. Okay. Alam mo na kung bakit tinawag ng Mexican. It's because of the spices doon sa breading niya. Yun, yung tangy kasundi sauce.
What?
The tangy kasundi sauce is important. This one, the sauce, hindi ko nalagyan eh. Yeah, I had to put some sauce. That's the kasundi sauce. Alam mo yung tinatawag na, di ba pag sinabing Mexican, medyo merong spice na parang amoy na, parang amoy, lasang naaamoy mo. Ikaw nagsabi doon. Amoy putok. Na parang nalalasaan mo, pero in a good way. And in a delicious way. Yeah. Tig-isa tayo, kasi tatlo siya, tama-tama. Pero better to put some basil, kasi may basil siya eh. I'll get the basil. Yeah. It will add flavor doon sa corn fritters. Syempre, the poached egg. Soft-boiled. A must try din tong Mexican cousin. My Mexican cousin. You know what kasundi sauce is? What is kasundi? Kasundi is a fermented mustard seed.
Mustards.
Yeah, so imagine the mustard seed na finerment mo, that's the kasundi sauce. So, mustard is different, but when you ferment the mustard, that's the kasundi sauce. Kaya ganun yung ng lasa niya. The kasundi sauce adds flavor doon sa my Mexican cousin. Tapos meron pa siyang halloumi cheese. The halloumi cheese, usually it originated from Cyprus. So, subukan natin itong Burger Royale. I think it's a Wagyu beef. Basically, it's Wagyu beef. How will you know pag Wagyu siya? How will you know pag Angus? How will you know pag anong klaseng beef? Do you know? You won't know eh.
Just ask the waiter.
Waiter. Sarap talaga nitong truffle fries, especially with the dip. I'll take the KFC burger. And the KFC burger is Korean fried chicken burger. I still like the KFC burger better than the Burger Royale.
Wow.
It's sweet.
What's KFC means?
KFC means the KFC burger is sweet and spicy in a delicious way. And the last, yung St. Ali dirty rice. Dirty rice daw. Tingnan natin how dirty. So the dirty rice. Ang sarap. I don't understand the taste of the dirty rice, pero
It tastes like dirty.
I feel dirty. Parang may asin na a bit salt. Hindi yung salty, mas nangingibabaw yung asim eh. Nangingibabaw yung asim niya. I don't understand the taste. I'm not saying na hindi siya masarap ha, pero how am I going to describe it? May asim eh. Parang may asim na hindi siya asim ng...
Tomato.
Sabi ko sana, hindi tomato sauce kasi hindi, may halo eh. It's tomato sauce. Meron din siyang pork. I will look for the pork.
Kasi may pork belly.
Yeah, may pork belly nga daw eh. So,
Ayun, ayun. Babay.
I can see the pork belly taba. Hatiin ko na to sa tatlo. Yan.
Ano maalat? May nilagyan kasi nila. Ano? Gusto ko yung maalat na food. Pagpan mo, para kita yung ang naiwa. Ikaw na umubos mo.
Lagyan mo dyan. Oh, ito, masarap tong ano, the Mexican cousin. Gusto ko orderin yung Mexican brother. What about the Mexican mother and the Mexican father? What about the Mexican grandparents? Eh kasi bakit Mexican cousin? Bakit cousin? Anong lasa ni brother, sister, mother, father? Bakit cousin?
Sima.
No, cousin.
Kasi talaga.
Oo. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin is pork eh. Kulit na. Slow down. Slow down daw yun.
Iniisip ko na kung masakit kung tumama sa pintuan o yung ano.
Rayuma yan.
Tumama rin kasi ng story sa pintuan. Pero hindi ko lang pinansin. Kasi parang ikaw diba? Nakas yung pain tolerance mo. Kaya pag tumama, parang wala ka na. Tumama kasi ka. Ako, nasa pintuan ako, hindi na ako. Nagmamati lang, tumama sa pintuan.
Okay.
Kasi dapat masakit yung kamay ko in my aray.
Okay. Bakit?
Pinagpipilitan niyo yung rayumay, wala
Uy,
na pala.
ano ba sinabi ko? Ano sinabi ko, Rap? Okay. Oh, may mali ba doon?
Lapit ka na. Lapit ka. Lapit ka para ano, makakita ka ng stance. Point mo.
Oh, you itlog. What
Mahirap.
daw may allergy ka?
Kumuha ako nito ganito.
Ikaw hindi, meron yung mga
Grabe ka, wag mo pasa sa akin.
akin na tong itlog. The poach.
Kasi mabubuhay siya ng mga bata. Tapos sasabihin niya, good ka pala kahit
Not Guinness po.
Ano to?
Not Guinness.
Not Guinness?
It's a name of, this one is yung pinaka-mababa si honey, cold brew, and then chicken cream white sauce. Para yung masarap na pepper din sa chocolate and white chicken.
Chocolate and ano ulit ito?
And then,
Yung sinabi mo kanina, ano yung laman niya?
yun po yung bisco, mint leaves on yung garlic, and then 4 mixed berries are berry. We have strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry.
Okay.
Thank you. And then,
So ito, not Guinness to.
to drink like a beer, but this one is na po siyang nakatawag is that's why it's something like a beer. Thank you very much.
Lolo ko ko mga taga San Guinness dito. Not Guinness. Thank you. It's soft, so tikman natin. Wow. This looks so good. Malamig. Tapos may biscoff. And then the berries. Maasim-asim. Pero masarap. Tingnan mo, in a nice way. Tingnan ko na rin. Sabay-sabay tayo doon. Pantanggal umay.
Yeah.
And then this one, titingnan ko kung talagang bagay or terno siya. Drink it like a beer. my God. Ang sarap ng Nut Guinness. Sorry, Toby. Nut Guinness. Not San Guinness. Yawa next week, mamaya dyan kami sa San Guinness. But right now, Nut Guinness. Ang sarap nitong Nut Guinness, promise.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!